Okay, so I'm going to do a, excuse me, a quick tutorial for these. I'm not set up really well to do a share, but I can try here. Okay, so I've made these little banners. I mean, it's real easy. I used a punch, but I made these out of this oh, goodness, I just knocked some off. See, I'm not set up. Out of this We Are Memory Keepers washi adhesive sheets. And if you need I guess that'd be the SKU number and the information. Okay. And it's washi adhesive sheets from We Are Memory Keepers. So that's the patterns on this page. I mean, in this stack. And then I also have this other stack, and I got these at Joann. They've had them there for quite a long time, and let's see, I got them last weekend, I believe, but they've had them in stock for quite a long time. So check your Joann, and they're by where and this is at 2 Joanns I've been to, or actually 3, because I've seen them, and I've always thought, oh, I want to get those, and I didn't, but I did last weekend. Anyway, they're by the paper stacks, all the DCW, die cuts with the view, DCWV stacks that they have. They had them on like a little hanger there at the 2 different Joann's that I went to this weekend. And so they fit very well. This is this size. Let me show you. They fit very well in there, just like that. And this is the punch that I used for these. It's a Hobby Lobby brand. But I'm sure that Michael's and all the other craft stores have them too. But this just happens to be a 2-inch. I was going to say I didn't know the dimensions, but it's a 2-inch banner flag. And it's from Hobby Lobby. So it's the Paper Studio brand. And you just stick, you stick the paper in there and punch, and it comes out just like, just a punch. And then the smaller ones, I just got this today. The smaller ones is the 1-inch banner, and this is an American Crafts. I don't think it says that anywhere, but it's an American Crafts, and I got this at Target. It was $9.99. Don't remember how much the larger one was because I got it quite a while ago. And this is what it looks. Oh, sorry. This is what it looks like. And it goes, in there, however you want to put it. Okay, and the same thing. You just stick the, you stick the paper in there and punch. It's hard to do this one-handed, so I can't actually show you that part. But let's say I was going to punch. Let's see. See if I can do this one-handed. It's really hard. Let's say I want to punch. You just stick it in the, okay, you stick it. See how it's going through there? You stick it in here. Now, I'm not going to punch this because this is my planner. Let me see if I can open it so you can see it. Excuse my nails. See how that goes in there? And then you press down the lever and it would punch that. I hope this is making sense. I mean, it's a punch. It's easy to use. Let's see. And some other ones that I made. Let's put this away so I can have more room here. I made this one. This one right here. And it fits in there. Just to add some color. And it was a Fiskars brand. And again, I've had this for quite a while. I don't know the size. Fiskars doesn't put that on there. So it's, anyway, it's fits in there really well. It's not the biggest one. They have one bigger, but the bigger one wouldn't fit. And then I made, let's see, a good one. If you can see. Oh, that one's not even a good shape. That punch didn't work out very well. Let's see. I think that one may have. Okay, I made some smaller ones, and it is this one. This one's smaller, and it's a Fiskars as well. It's a Fiskars squeeze. I like these. These are very easy to use. And again, you just slip the paper in there and you squeeze this one, and it punches. And then I I have some stars. And I used, again, this is a paper studio, and it's a star. And it doesn't have the dimensions on it. So I'm sorry, I don't know what the dimensions are for that one. And that's all the ones I've made so far. Someone had requested this in a planner group. And, you know, I know people who have crafted and scrapbooking, this is like, you know, you're probably thinking, oh, who doesn't know how to use a punch? Well, not everybody does, so I hope I helped. Because if you're not a scrapbooker or a crafter, why would you need to know about all this stuff, right? But if you're just getting into planning, all this stuff can be fun. So anyway, I did this one too with a punch that I have. But I'll show that since I'm here. I'm trying to reach over here and get it. Okay. It is I think this is this is an EK Success punch. And I got it at Joann, and I don't know how big that is. Sorry, I don't have the packaging anymore. But you can make all kinds of fun things with die cuts. If you have a a silhouette machine, a Cricut machine, I'll give you something pretty to look at. Look at my snowman. A Cricut machine, all those machines, and then your manual die cutters like your Big Shot or your Cuttlebug can make all kinds of stuff with this washi paper, or sticker paper, or the Post-its that are full adhesive Post-its. Let me show you some of those. Those are cool too. Like these. The whole backing is adhesive, so I use these for my meal plans a lot. That in my Franklin Covey. I haven't started that with my Erin Condren yet. But anyway, that's how you do it. Hope it helps. I'm not much of a tutorial teacher person, but I hope this helps.